On a bright Saturday morning, 10-year-old Emma woke up feeling excited. She had finished all her homework the night before, and today her father had promised to take her to the town library. Emma loved reading, but she had never visited the biggest library in town before. After breakfast, Emma packed a small notebook, a pencil, and a bottle of water into her backpack. You never know when you'll discover something interesting, she said with a smile. Her father laughed. A true explorer is always prepared. Soon they arrived at the Grand Library. It was a beautiful old building with tall windows, wide wooden doors, and colorful flowers growing along the entrance. Inside, everything was quiet except for the gentle sound of pages turning. Emma's eyes grew wide with amazement. Thousands of books filled the shelves from floor to ceiling. A kind librarian greeted them. Welcome. My name is Mrs. Green. Is this your first visit? Yes. Emma answered happily. Mrs. Green handed Emma a library card. This card is your key to endless adventures, she said. Emma smiled and carefully placed it inside her notebook. As they walked through the library, Emma noticed signs pointing to different sections: adventure, science, animals, history, fairy tales, and space. I don't know where to begin, she whispered. Mrs. Green smiled. Every book opens a different door. Just choose the one that interests you. Emma first visited the adventure section. She picked up a book about explorers searching for hidden treasure in ancient jungles. The colorful pictures made her imagine climbing mountains and crossing rivers. Then she moved to the science section. She discovered books about dinosaurs, volcanoes, robots, and the planets. One book showed beautiful photographs of the moon and Mars. I never knew space looked so amazing, Emma said. Her father nodded. Books can take us anywhere without leaving our chairs. After reading for a while, Emma noticed a small sign that read, Library Treasure Hunt Today. She became excited. Dad, can I join? Of course, he replied. Mrs. Green explained the rules. There are 5 clues hidden around the library. Each clue leads to the next one. Solve them all, and you'll find a special surprise. Emma quickly joined several other children. The first clue read, I tell stories without speaking. Open me to hear my voice. Emma smiled immediately. It's a book. She hurried to the storybooks section. Inside one storybook was the second clue. I help readers find every title. Search me before. Searching shelves, Emma thought. Carefully, then she remembered. Seeing a computer near the entrance, the library catalog. She shouted. She ran to the computer and searched for the next clue. The screen displayed the words, "Go to shelf A12. Emma found shelf A12. Inside a history book waited another clue. I show the world without moving. Oceans, mountains, and countries fill my pages. Emma knew the answer, a map. She hurried to the geography section. There she discovered a large atlas with another clue hidden inside. Look where stories begin and end. Every day, Emma looked around. Then she smiled. The reading corner. She rushed to the cozy reading area with colorful chairs. Under one chair lay the final clue. Congratulations. Bring this clue to the librarian. Emma quickly returned to Mrs. Green. Mrs. Green clapped her hands. Excellent work. You solved every puzzle. Emma received a shiny bookmark, decorated with stars and books. She also received a small certificate that read, "Official Library Explorer." Emma beamed with pride. This is the best prize ever. Mrs. Green smiled. Greatest treasure isn't the bookmark? Emma looked puzzled. What is it then? The knowledge you've discovered today. Emma nodded thoughtfully. Before leaving, she borrowed 3 books. One about space, one about animals, and an adventure story about a brave young explorer. As they walked home, Emma hugged the books close to her chest. I can't wait to read them all. Her father smiled. What did you enjoy most today? Emma thought. For a moment, the treasure hunt was fun, but I learned something even more important. What was that? A library is full of adventures. Every shelf holds a new journey. Every book teaches something new, and every visit helps us grow.